Hello class, here we're going to work more with lists and strings. As you can see off to the left, we have a couple print statements. They come off over on the right. So a string is a sequence of characters and a list is a sequence of values. But a list of characters is not the same as a string. Now you can convert a string to a list of characters simply by storing a list of characters in a string. Here we have spam in a variable of s. Create a new variable called t. Run the list function on your variable of the string. When you print t, you have a list of each individual character. Pretty helpful. I know during our pirate exercise that could have been helpful, or perhaps during the individual lab for lesson 5 that could have been helpful, but I know some of you read ahead and leveraged it. Some of you used just replace method, which is fine. Now, moving right along, we can also split words. So here we have a tribute to Monty Python, Pining for the Fjords. This is one string, but you see that there's spaces. So when we use the split method on our string and don't give it an argument, it splits it at the spaces. And then we go and print it. We get, where's it at? Print T. We get the list of each individual word. Pretty helpful. And then we can call on individual words by the indice. So here we're saying print indice 2 in my list of T, which is the word the. 0, 1, 2. Print indice 2, there's the. So that's a way to pull out individual words. Now with split, we could also use delimiters. So here we have a string that says spam dash spam dash spam, and we take that string and we split it at every dash, and then we print it. If we go ahead and split our string on a delimiter, it creates a list, and here we have the 3 spams, but it removes the delimiter. So the dashes we lose, but that's our breakpoint, so to speak. Now the opposite of breaking strings up is we could use the join method. Here we're doing the opposite. We have a list called T. We have our 4 words, individual sets of strings in our list. We're saying our delimiter is now a space. And we're saying print the delimiter, join T. So print a space. You're going to use the space to join T. And here we have our list printed with spaces in between each object or each word. Aliasing and referencing. So you can associate a variable with an object. It's called a reference. So off to this side, we have variable A that holds a list of integers, and we simply say B equals A, and then to test this we say print B is A, and we receive true. So B is referencing the list of A. Now moving right along, if you reference objects that are mutable, that can be changed, they impact the reference and the original list of objects. Here we have A equals 1, 2, 3. We say B equals A, and then we say B index 0 equals 17. Well, if B equals A and A is 1, 2, 3, and we say B index 0 is 17, 1 will change to 17 for both B and A. B being the alias, A being the original object. And when we print them, we see that that's true. And then, so basically the trick is avoid using alias when working with mutable objects. Because if you want to keep your original list intact and you change your alias, you're going to impact your original list. But immutable objects, aliasing can be helpful. So here we have immutable objects. We have a list of strings. A equals banana. We're saying B equals A. A is B. We get true. So now B is aliasing A or referencing A, and A is the string of banana. And then here we say B is apple. We print A. We get banana. We print B. We get apple. A is B. That's no longer true. That's false. That's the end of this video.